Welcome to the last subunit of Unit 5. Today we're going to be talking about behaviors of implicit relations. We're going to start off with a problem to see how to relate implicit differentiation with word problems. Now consider the curve x squared minus 3 equals e to the power of y in an xy plane at the point negative 2, 0. Is this curve or point concave up or concave down? Now remember from prior videos, when we're talking about concave up and down, we are talking about the second derivative. So we have to take our original function and find the second derivative. So let's start. I'm going to first find the first derivative with respect to y, since we have a y. So I'm going to say 2x. 3 is a constant, so it would just equal e to the y times dy over dx. That is my first derivative. I'm going to find my first derivative and say dy over dx equals 2x over e to the y. And that is my first derivative, sorry. And now we have to find our second derivative. So d2y over dx squared. We will use the quotient rule. So I'll take 2x e to the y. We have 2 and we have e to the y times dy over dx. And that gives me 2e to the y minus 2x e to the y dy over dx all over e to the y squared. So now that I have my second derivative, all I have to do is plug in my points into the corresponding variables. So that gives me 2e to the 0 minus 2 times negative 2 times e to the 0 of dy dx. And we know that we found dy dx equals 2x over ey. So I would just do times 2, x is negative 2, over e to y is 0. And then I would do it all over e to the y is 0 squared. And then I would just simplify this. So let's simplify this behind camera. So after solving this behind camera, I got that my second derivative equals negative 14. And so we know if f double prime is less than 0, then we have concave down. And we found our answer. So that is all for 5.12. That is all for Unit 5 in total. And that is the end. Thank you for watching.